Why Scrum? Why Agile? As a Scrum Master, I am regularly asked to quickly explain what I do, why the organisation needs me, or what it gains from my presence. My answer is usually tailored to the person asking the question. Here are some common approaches. Does Scrum promote ethical behaviour? Unethical behaviour is behaviour that intentionally breaks personal values, norms and agreements. Scrum is a framework of values, norms and agreements for creating done increments of product empirically. Agreeing to uphold the Scrum values of respect, courage, openness, focus and commitment, but intentionally breaking trust by not doing so would be unethical. I've been on a Scrum team where we had to tell our stakeholders, including the CEO, that we would have to delay releasing the increment because we had discovered defects that might break the product. We could have gambled that it would be fine. However, we felt the ethical choice was to have the courage to be open about the defects. This was not greeted with much enthusiasm, but in the long run, it did build trust. There is also such a thing as bad behaviour that is not necessarily unethical. This can happen when the intentions are good, even if the outcome is not. I was the Scrum Master to a team where one of the developers had the personal value of being very open about his opinion of the work. Usually, this was in keeping with the Scrum values. However, on this occasion, they criticised someone's work in such a way that it was insulting to that development team member. This lack of respect broke trust in the same way unethical behaviour would. Upon closer inspection, however, it turned out that A's intention had not been to insult B, but to avoid similar mistakes in the future. The incident helped to affirm the Scrum team's commitment to their goals and to each other, strengthening trust. In conclusion, upholding the Scrum values will promote ethical behaviour, but as with all of Scrum, it is simple to understand, yet difficult to master. Making this video was useful to me to become a better Scrum Master, and I couldn't have done it without the following people. If this video was useful to you, please share it. It may be useful to someone else, and let me know your reaction. Thanks.